Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a fresh CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. These batteries are widely available and typically last 1 to 2 years. Make sure your hands are clean and dry to prevent any moisture from affecting the internal components. We're ready to begin. Now, let's open up the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the mechanical emergency key blade. With the blade removed, you'll see a small indentation. Insert your flathead screwdriver or the metal key into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the fob should carefully separate. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. You might see a small electronic module covering the battery. If so, carefully remove it first. Then, use your screwdriver or a paperclip to gently pry out the old, depleted battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards. Make sure it sits snugly in its compartment. Great job! Now, let's put everything back together. If you removed an electronic module, place it back into position. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the mechanical emergency key blade back into its slot. Test all the key fob's functions to confirm your new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.